On March 4th of 1861, Congress approved an amendment to the United States Constitution that read in full, "No amendment shall be made to the Constitution which will authorize or give to Congress the power to abolish or interfere within any state with the domestic institutions thereof, including that of persons held to labor or service by the laws of said state." Authored by Ohio Representative Thomas Corwin, the amendment echoes the language appearing in Section 2 of Article 4 of the Constitution, which uses the phrase held to service or labor in place of the word slavery, which it deliberately avoids. By the time the amendment passed the Senate by a vote of 24 to 12, 7 of the 11 states of the Confederacy had seceded from the Union, leaving 26 state legislatures to consider the proposal, which had been endorsed and signed by President James Buchanan, despite the fact that presidents have no formal role in the process of amending the Constitution. The amendment was ratified a month later by Corwin's home state of Kentucky and 5.5 weeks after that by the state of Ohio, for which Corwin served in the House of Representatives. It was further ratified by Rhode Island in May of 1861, by Maryland in January of 1862, and by Illinois in June of 1863 for a total of 5 states, leaving it 12 states shy of enactment. West Virginia was admitted to the Union 18 days after Illinois voted to ratify the measure, and in February of 1864, a resolution to withdraw Corwin's amendment was submitted by Rhode Island Senator Henry B. Anthony, who was unrelated to suffragist and abolitionist Susan B. Anthony, and his proposal was referred to the Committee on the Judiciary but proceeded no further. The state of Nevada was admitted to the Union on Halloween of that year, and exactly 3 months later, Congress approved an amendment based on the verbiage of the Northwest Ordinance, which prohibited slavery and involuntary servitude in the United States or any place subject to their jurisdiction, except as a punishment for crime, a stipulation which remains in effect to this day. Over the next week, 3 of the 5 states that ratified the Corwin Amendment were among the first 4 states to ratify the 13th Amendment that would be enacted on December 6th of 1865.